you go. Enjoy the park.
Awesome, thank you.
Don't got much information.
Nope. Hopefully the visitor center has more.
Hopefully.
And welcome to Badlands National Park. Sorry.
No, sorry.
No, come on. Come
You
on.
gotta go inside.
Let's go back in. Come on. Your fan's on. Well, welcome back to another video, guys. We are actually here in National Badlands Park.
Super windy.
Very windy.
But I'm thankful for it right now.
Yeah, it's so hot right now. So if you guys are new here, I'm Whitney,
I'm Amanda.
and you just saw our Heinz 57 pup Chansey. And we live in our van full-time and work full-time, but we took a break and we're having some adventures. So let's go check out the Badlands.
It takes you through like the animals that lived here and then they died and then became fossils.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I can see why rattlesnakes would love it out here, though.
Oh yeah. Dry.
That looks like dog poop.
Yeah, it probably is.
This is just absolutely fascinating. And there's kids all the way up the top of that one.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
Yeah, they are. Dying to become a fossil. Wow. If you guys come out to these things, respect them and don't go climb on things where there's a boardwalk and you should be on the boardwalk.
Yeah, you know.
So, but these are absolutely fascinating because so many things animal-wise have died here and they become fossilized and then they're able to be found. But a lot of this reminds us of the petrified forest, actually.
It does. With
Yeah.
Like it looks like sand mountains.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
like huge anthills to us. But if you're driving through South Dakota and you're going on the 90, you might as well go this way and end up in Wall, so South Dakota.
Yeah, that's where we're headed.
Yep. Trying to run. You see him?
Yeah, I see him. Oh, there he goes. Boop, 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 boop. Prairie dogs. I heard him squeak.
Yep, I did too. Oh, there's some more.
Yep.
If you guys can see, we have found a buffalo here at the exit on the Pinnacle side as we were driving out. We just saw him under the tree. And he's just chilling there.
Eat some grass.
Eat some grass.
Hanging out.
Doing his thing.
Oh my gosh.
This is awesome to see him.
It's so cool.
Oh, there's a prairie dog running too.
Oh, he's hopping.
Yep. Yeah, there's
he's
a prairie
walking
dog
right
over
towards
there.
There's cars.
Yep, he's just walking right underneath there. Yep. Just no care in the world. I think it caused everybody to stop because everybody finally noticed what I saw.
Yeah.
Yep. So he's
Walking
just
away.
chilling. Hopefully we'll be able to see more of these on our trip too.
I hope so.
And a little bit more wildlife. Hopefully no one's stupid enough just to walk up to him and be like, "Hi, my name's whatever, and I want to pet you."
Yeah, please don't.
Oh, he's like, "I'm gonna butt scratch something."
Itchy.
That's awesome. Oh yeah, he's itching.
Yeah, he is.
I was like, I can't not stop. I saw that.
Thank you. I did not see that.
Oh yeah. Everybody wants to stop now and see him.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, another van behind us pulled up.
Really?
And
Oh
so,
yeah, red one.
Now he's just chilling.
Just going. Yeah. So cool.
Yeah, it is. Thing there. So cool to see him.
Mm-hmm. There he is.
Yep. There's got to be more of them.
Probably.
Somewhere.
Yeah.
He's
That's
chilling.
just a random male. I don't know.
Yeah. Ooh, can't wait to see more of you, buddy.
What you think, honey?
You're my new best friend. Okay, sounds good.
Oh yeah, no. Stay in your car, please.
Wall drug, here we come. Oh my gosh, you guys, there's the biggest, like, jackalope ever right there.
Yep.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
All of that sculpture stuff.
Wood carving.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right, let's go see how busy Wall Drug's gonna be now.
I bet it's gonna be crazy.
Apparently you can also overnight here, so
That's kind of cool.
yeah, we'll see what happens, but this is it essentially right here. A little bit further up. Looks like a lot of people have parked here.
Yeah.
So I have no idea what this is supposed to look like or be, but
Me either.
couldn't tell you. I just know it's a big old place.
Mm-hmm. We saw lots of signs for it.
Yep. Oh, yep, this is the
Okay. Got it.
front part of it.
Cool.
Do you just want me to park here or park in the back?
Just park here, I guess. Might just be the easiest thing to do.
Yeah, it's so cool.
Uh-huh. There's another guy on that side.
Yep. It's like a whole bunch of shops.
Yeah. Wow.
It's really cool.
Yeah, it is. A little bit of everything.
Yeah, it does. Heard the food here is really good too.
Oh,
Where we decide to like kind of go.
Mm-hmm. Huge totem pole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this dude.
I know, this is awesome. Mm-hmm. Oh, the outdoor section.
Don't get wet.
Oh my God. That's a thing. Okay.
Yeah. Little water park.
Yep. That's cool. Go ride the Bunkin' Bronco.
Oh God. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, I bet. All right, I got a picture. There we go. There you go. Oh, that moved. Gotta get the free water. Ice water. It's the only way to get cold. And it's got little dinosaurs on it.
It's cute.
I'm gonna drop this whole thing.
I know, be careful.
Oh, you gotta push that pretty hard.
Okay.
There we go.
I'm gonna. Whew, a little toasty from being in the sun.
That's apple pie too. Huckleberry, donuts. So we tapped out of Wall Drug. It's massive. The back was really cool. We took pictures with the bucking bronco and the jackalope. But there's just so much stuff in there. And this is like a cool stop if you have a house to put stuff in.
I know. We don't have anywhere to put anything.
No. So we found a fudge place though. It looks really good. And we also got Chansey a peanut butter mousse. So excited to give that to her probably later tonight.
Yeah.
And then our fudge, we got a tiger one. And of course we're gonna put this in the fridge too.
Oh yeah.
We got a tiger one, which was
Vanilla, peanut butter, and chocolate. And then a
peanut butter one. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take a bite out of the peanut butter one right now and see how that tastes. All right, which one are you gonna try first? You tried tiger?
I'm gonna do tiger,
Yeah. Very not often that we get this much sweets, but these things, this is 1/4 pound. This is insanely heavy.
It's a lot.
That's why I remember it being tradesy. That's really good peanut butter fudge.
That's so soft.
Mmm.
I really like both of them.
This one's really good.
Oh, yeah, I like both of them better.
All right, one better. Oh, I find it never happens.
I know. One more.
We need to make dinner.
Yeah, we do. This is not dinner.
No. Well, we're going to figure out what we're doing. It's still hot again. Not doing another hotel.
No.
But need to figure out our lives to make dinner and where we're going to sleep tonight.
Yeah.
So we need to go figure that out.
Alrighty.
Made it to a KOA in Black Hills in South Dakota in Rapid City, I think it is.
Near Rapid City, at least. Yeah.
So we are going to cook up some pappardelle noodles with some ground beef and some garlic bread. We are tired. We don't want to do this, but we are going to.
But we need to.
But we need to. So this is what it's going to look like. We've got our Jetboil Genesis out. We've got some vodka sauce, some Alfredo sauce, and then some pappardelle noodles. And this is how ghetto I feel right now. We've got the air turned on in the van. So I've got the air fryer sitting on top of the Genesis pot to plug into the outlet right there. Because if any of you know, you can't have the air on and cook at the same time in these vans. So that's just going to be life right now. So we will see you once we have put all of this together. Dinner is served.
Looks good.
Yep.
Smells
definitely going to
good.
have plenty of leftovers. So if you guys see us eat this in a couple of videos, that's what it's going to be. Deal with it.
Yep.
Because these things don't have to be expensive, that's for sure.
Oh, no.
But we're just eating stuff that we have. Makes it easier. The flies aren't making it easy, but it's nice outside.
That is for sure.
All right. Let us eat. All right. Cheers. Oh, this looks good. Nothing like garlic bread air fried.
I know. It's so good.
Come here. Come here. Lay down.
You're okay.
Lay down, like always.
Really good.
Hope you guys enjoyed our little excursion today. Waldrug was better than the truck stop for sure.
I liked it much better. I wasn't as stressed out in there.
No. So if you are in South Dakota, do the Badlands, do Waldrug. We'll see what we get into tomorrow.
Yeah.
Not really sure.
It's an adventure.
It's an adventure back home, that's for sure.
I don't mind it with the meat.
I don't either. It's
sure.
kind of nice.
Different. I mind the flies.
I know. South Dakota's very pretty. But y'all, with this wind, it's 80 on the highway. And I couldn't go any faster than 65 today.
I know.
Driving the van, so.
It's pushing us all over the place.
Yeah,
I'm
it
just
was.
glad we had the suspension.
Yeah, suspension makes a world of difference.
You were still struggling.
Uh-huh.
I can't imagine how bad it would be if we didn't do it.
So if you guys are here or driving through, make time to come see it. It's definitely worth it, that's for sure. Once the sun goes down, it'll be a lot cooler, but we weren't risking it, so we just booked a KOA for like $66. So we'll take it.
Good enough for the night. Hookups, water. We have a pool and a hot tub. I don't know if we'll use that.
Probably not, but you know.
Laundry if we needed it.
Yeah, a nice one. It looks like they're doing a lot of upgrades to this one too.
And we're putting in a whole new facility.
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna finish dinner and we will catch you guys on the next one.